I just want to make a video talking about some SuperClean here. This is one of my favorite cleaners here, and this one's says tough task cleaning detergent, dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. When you buy the big gallon, you can probably go to their website. They have a chart on here, and you can dilute this. People are always using it full strength, but you should dilute it for most of your stuff, and it makes it last a long time. And here, this is a CPAP container, and on the bottom of these, you keep them clean, but they'd get like a film on the bottom just because it's water on plastic usually, and that's hard to get out. You can use like soap and it just won't come out. So what I'm going to do today is put some water in there. Just take a little bit of SuperClean, and I'm just going to put a drop, hopefully. Oh, it does way more than a drop, and that was way more than you need. And then I'm just going to close this up, shake it around, let it sit just for a few seconds. And I don't like it to get on my fingers because you can feel it takes the oils off your hands. So especially if you're going to use it full strength, you should be wearing gloves. So don't follow my example. And then I'm going to do this. Get this pressurized water, and it's warm. Just rinse this out real good. You don't want any soap residue left behind. Oh yeah, I can feel it already. My thumb down there. Now, neither SuperClean nor myself recommend you use this product on any kind of a medical device, such as I am doing here. This is a CPAP. I'm going to breathe it. So don't do that at home. You'll probably get really sick. So again, don't follow what I do. I'm just showing you what I do. Let's see how that turned out. It's a lot cleaner, and I could feel it in spots. But that was not without any agitation. But so, and the nice thing too is it doesn't appear to damage any of the plastic. This looks like metal, but it's, oh, it might be. It has a heating plate goes on there, and then the inside this is plastic. And I can feel a little bit on there, but it does seem to do a good job. Up here it's really clean, and this is silicone. Silicone's pretty tough and forgiving on everything. So I was hoping it would really take it out, but as you saw, I didn't wait very much, and it does feel like it cleaned it up quite a bit. So you could balance this out, and I think it would do a good job if you did it a little bit better. And again, you can play with the strength, but SuperClean is pretty strong. It'll take rust off metal, so you want to be careful on that. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you some of the applications you don't think about that it could work out really well for. And it did do a pretty good job. Some parts are really squeaky, and you can feel that scummy stuff that gets on there. The corners are really hard to get. But I bet you if I let it sit or made it a little bit stronger, concentrated, it'd probably do even a better job. And it seems pretty safe. It's supposed to be water, what do they say, biodegradable, but everything says that here. I usually use, for my day-to-day cleaning, just some Dawn dishwasher soap. In fact, just the top to make sure things are safe in there. Rinse it out with this. And again, that Dawn is really good soap, but it won't touch that scummy stuff. So if you have any suggestions about ways to get rid of water scum out of plastics, let me know. But I bet you vinegar would work, but the thing I don't like about things like vinegar is they are acid based, and that can cause a lot of damage to things. So where SuperClean's on the opposite end of the scale, it's an alkaline base. So it's not as harsh as, it's as strong, but it works on the opposite principle as acid. So it's safer for a lot of things, in my opinion. Anyways, and always read the instructions on the back to make sure you're following what you're supposed to do. Anyways, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.